I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks smart charging. Make sure your Android is running Android 9 or later and the smart charging app is updated. This avoids protocol mismatches. Next, enable location and Bluetooth permissions and turn off battery optimization for the app so background scheduling runs reliably. Pair your charger or vehicle now, follow the on-screen pairing prompts, and verify connection. Once done, open the app to move straight into creating a charging session and schedule. Don't skip pairing. You now configure the session. Select a charge window that matches off-peak rates or your preferred times because timing controls cost and grid impact. Set the target state of charge in percent and choose a maximum current in amps to protect battery health and match circuit limits. If available, enable grid-aware or cost-saver mode. This lets the app shift charging around demand or price signals. Finally, save the profile and label it for repeat use. This prevents reconfiguration every night and makes automation reliable. You complete the workflow by starting or scheduling the session. Choose manual start or enable auto start on plugin so charging begins without taps. Monitor the live status screen for power, kWh delivered, and estimated finish time. This helps you confirm the app enforces limits. Once charging completes, review the session summary to refine future settings. If something fails, try this key troubleshooting step. Restart the app and Bluetooth, repair the charger, and confirm location and battery exemption permissions are still granted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.